Hey there. So, as we have learned about many sensors, so today we are going to learn about a unique sensor which is metal touch sensor. So, what actually this sensor does is it will sense the touch of metal. Like other touch sensor, we have like fingerprint sensors and all. It will feel the touch, but it will feel the human touch. But here, this sensor is used to detect the metals. So now let us understand how it works actually. So here in this module, in the starting on the right hand side here, we have a sensor which is metal touch sensor. This is where it will sense the metal part, and after sensing it will send the data to the IC chip here. This IC chip is actually a brain of the sensor. So this will process the data and it will turn that signals into a data form, and it will send to the computer or to any microcontroller device which we are using. And this blue colored box here is a potentiometer actually. So here is where we can adjust the sensitivity of the sensor. Like we can make it too high sensitive. If we make it to the high sensitive, then even if you don't touch, just you if you get the metal near to the sensor, then it will sense that. If you will keep it low, then we need to touch that sensor to this sensor. So this is how the sensor is look like, and this is how the potentiometer will look. So here it will sense, and here we can adjust the sensitivity of that sensor, and in the IC we can process the signals into the data form. So moving forward to LED lights here, like LED1 and LED2, these lights are used to indicate that if the power is on or off. If the sensor module gets switched on, then LED light 1 will be turned on. If the sensor will sense any metals, then the LED2 will be turning on. And these capacitors and resistors all over here are used to keep the electric flow smooth and accurate, so that we will not get the wrong values from the sensor. So this is how all the capacitors and resistors will be working. So moving forward to the main components, that is A naught, ground, and positive, and D naught pin. So this positive pin is nothing but the VCC pin. So it is used to take the power from the power generator, like battery or Arduino or ESP32 or Raspberry Pi, anything. Like it is used to take the power, that is positive currents, to the circuit. And ground pin, which is named as G here, is used to take the negative current out of the sensor module. So this is how these two pins will be working. So D naught pin is used to get the digital outputs, like the serial outputs, and the A naught pin here is used to get the analog outputs. So all together it will work, and it will give us digital output and analog output. Or if we want, we can set it to just digital or just analog. So this is how altogether this sensor will be working. So in background we have the red colored board, so which is known as PCB. PCB means printed circuit board. So in that, all the components are kept and are connected with each other to work seamlessly. And with all these components, we will make the metal touch sensor, which will detect all the metal touch, and it will detect if the metal gets near to the sensor. So now, where exactly is the sensor used? So this sensor is used in the place where the metal should be detected, like in metal detector alarm, or in we might have seen in that shopping malls and all, that we have a metal detecting device. So in those device and all, these sensor will be placed, and this is the main components of those device. So this is used for safety, and this can be used for our project purpose also. So now in this video we learned about metal touch sensor. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.